Hi, it's Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creation and this week's installment of Thursday Trained. I'm going to be doing a bit of an experiment piece for me. I've been seeing, Nate has been doing a lot of strainer pours. And I thought, well, I wonder if I can do this with the paints that I have on hand. So that's what we have today. The first one I did, the paints were extremely thick and it just didn't come out right. It took too much spinning. This one, where the jury's out, and I'll let you be the judge if it was a failure or a success. So, without any further ado, I'm going to get down. We'll talk about the colors, and we'll get started. Talk about the colors for just a second. This is Horizon by This Little Piggy, Frost by This Little Piggy, Tuscan Sun by ColorArte, Prism Collection. This is just Sonja, Pearlescent White. This is the new replacement color for Nickel Azo Gold called Azo Gold from Golden. And that's going to be my only colors. The only other choice I have is this is SoFlat from Golden, and it's carbon black. So there's my colors. Let's get started. take a few seconds to talk about this. As you can see, this came out okay. I had a lot of air bubbles in here, and they become a part of the features with this. Not a desired look for me, but you know, it does have its place, I suppose. This is my Shady Art paints, but I've thinned them out considerably. So I got a lot more color mixing than I normally would. And it's on top of a black base that was for a traditional style painting. So I kind of mixed a few different types of paints here, and I will say that I've always shied away from doing it, but I'm not entirely happy with what came out here. So this has been Thursday Train. Up next is going to be Just Janice, followed by our special guest artist for today. So stick around and let's see what they come up with. Down for the slow and easy. This has been Thursday Train. Up after me is going to be Just Janice, followed by our special guest artist for today. So stick around. Let's see what they come up with. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I hope you got something out of this. I know that I did. I learned some valuable lessons. So, until next time, bye for now.